So SpyderLynk is a mobile activator. Basically, we connect brands with mobile devices. And
what do you use to do that? What's the technology?
so two things. We started out in 2006 with just being a Snap and Send solution. So we work on any camera phone. And how many of you have QR codes loaded on your phones right now? Excellent. So, way to go, Jim. So yeah, so we have a Snap and Send solution, and we also now have an app, so we can just scan these. So
before you had an app, it worked with the camera.
Exactly. So it still works. So we really have the best of both worlds because smartphones right now take up 30% of the market. 88% of phones out there have camera phones. So now we have reach with Snap and Send and utility with a smartphone.
Gotcha. So I see real cool stuff out there.
Yep.
It shows how it works.
Let's do this. Yep. So I'm just going to show you a few slides quickly first. So as you can see, we're based off of logos. The founder of this company is a 30-year-old woman. She's an optical engineer. She was flipping through a magazine one day. She's like, I want to buy those shoes in this magazine. And instead of a funky-looking barcode, she's like, we should be able to buy a picture of the actual shoes. So what she did is she developed this thing where you could take the actual image and with that code ring around it, be able to determine where the media came from and what to send back. So basically, we're branded, quote, smarter, and more accessible. So there's a number of things you can do with this. We do a lot of event marketing, advertising, retail marketing, packaging. A number of offers: join, buy, get, save, play, find, enter. I'm going to go through this quickly so we can get to this. But basically, it complements your current marketing efforts. So what you're doing, this can slide into your marketing efforts. How many of you out there have an app? Okay, so our reader can be built within your app with our SDK. Next. It can live just about anywhere. This is a program we did with Inception, Facebook, online, word of mouth, TV spots, retail POS displays. Next. Jimmy. Thanks. So if you can see, we have the same image. This is a movie Inception. We use the totem pole. And the totem, if you can see the different breaks in the rings, that's how you can determine where it comes from and actually what we send back. Because we have a really robust back end to it that we can determine if you snap this 5 times and send it back, we can send you back different content. You get sweepstakes, etc. And so here's the 2 different offerings. 1, you can snap and send, or 2, you can open up this app. And our app basically hovers the codes immediately and you engage your audience. Okay, let's just jump to the Elmo on this first one. Thanks.
Can I just ask a quick question about the unlock the ring?
Yep.
It still amazes me how much people want to interact with this sort of content. What kind of reaction do you have?
It was one of our biggest campaigns. I mean, Inception was really interesting because their entire studio bought in the sense that their marketing teams, I've worked with studios for a dozen years, and it's really difficult to get the different silos of a studio to work together. And they had it on TV, they had it on their home Facebook page, they actually used their icon as their Facebook picture. So it was really engaging. And we had on 3.3 million packages.
And how many of the audience they were trying to reach? What was the frequency of use?
Frequency of use.
What did people do? What did they
So let's do this.
Well, you have the unlock the dream up there.
I do. It's off to the side, but so basically, I just hover over. It immediately picks it up, and we start talking to our consumers. So basically, what they did, they wanted to drive to retail. So at their last, the last text that they sent back was a code to unlock the DVD. So if you bought the DVD and you did this SnapTag, you got a code to unlock content on the DVD. What you could also do from here is click on the landing page, and you could buy the DVD. You could get 5 exclusive pieces of the content from the director. You could like their Facebook, play a video, and all these different dream levels. You can download content. So this one was an exclusive wallpaper that they didn't release. The other thing is with our app is that you can instantly like their Facebook page. So right here, one click, I already like this. Let me go back. So the other thing with our app is that you can actually share conversations by your brand. So I can jump into any one of these right back into our conversation. Let's do, actually I want to show you this one. So Revlon, see how it says Revlon there? This is a new product with us. We actually use a Facebook icon, and with that code ring around it, we can tell what brand it is. So we push them to that brand, and now, I guess I'll do this. On my Facebook page, I now like Revlon.
Yeah, I don't know if I would do that.
Yeah.
But it works.
It works. Choose. Yeah, alright, let's not go there. So I do want to show you Bud Light as well. So you just simply hover over it. Takes a minute to read. And the thing with Bud Light, which is really interesting, is that, well, first of all, you can tap right into a commercial. So they sent back a lot of video content to their fans. And their demo was 21 to 29-year-old males. And what we did is we were able to build out this messaging tree where they could respond A, B, C, D, or E and build that out. So for example, they could reply A for more plays, B for more recipes, that kind of thing. So we'll reply B. And the interesting thing with this is that of these 21 to 29-year-old males, their highest response was to get recipes, which you wouldn't naturally think. We had a lot of fun content out there. Although the recipes are for kickoff slingers, nachos, hot dogs, that kind of content. Yes.
I was thinking they're going to make quiche.
No quiche.
We only have about a minute left. Questions out there? What is a smart tag is the question.
A SnapTag?
SnapTag.
What is a SnapTag? So that's our product. So basically, you want to go back to the Elmo screen. So this is a SnapTag right here. It's based on an anchor logo. So you guys send me your brand, we build it into our back end, and then we put a code ring around it. And again, these three buttons here move around if you do it in different placements, so we can track placement and track what to send back. So a SnapTag is an image and a code ring to market, to talk to consumers. So consumers can get, you can enter them in sweepstakes, they can like your social media, they can instant win, any kind of conversation you want to have with your consumers. This is an instant way to activate them on their mobile device.